Hello, everybody. This is Mark Hanover with Keller Williams Peace River Partners in Port Charlotte, Florida. I just want to let you guys know today that I am doing an open house from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 6702 Hickory Hammock Circle in Bradenton, Florida. I just want to give you a quick view of the home here. We are currently listed at $425,000, built in 1994, and we have 2,039 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. Absolutely gorgeous landscaping, as you can see. And let's just go ahead and head on in. I think you guys are going to really like this. This is kind of a interesting home, and I say that in a good way, not as realtor speak here. You actually enter into a courtyard, as you will see, and this is actually the center of the home. Beautiful little pool there. Off to your immediate right is your garage. And then off to your direct left is actually a separate guest suite. This is not connected to the rest of the house other than by walls. Closet there. Hello. As well as your shower. Coming back out. We're going to go in through the guest bathroom here. The sliders behind my table actually go into the house guest room. Here's the main guest room. That door does go to the garage, by the way. We come into a media room or a multi-family use room, or however you want to think about this. Now in this kitchen, these cabinets, which are really nice, the front doors have been redone. It is a solid surface countertop, and all appliances, as you can see, are stainless steel. The exception of the dishwasher. This is the master bedroom, as you can tell. The ensuite. And then we go back here. We have a very large master closet. Leaving the master, take a quick look at the dining area. And then we have the living room. And that slider right there does go out to the pool area. So if anybody would like to contact me, if you'd like to arrange a private showing, my phone number is 941-202-1995. Again, that's 941-202-1995. You can also reach me at markswfl.com, as well as markhanover@kw.com, which is markhanover@kw.com. Thank you, everybody.